2-ingredient Hershey's Fudge. Now, I am going to double this batch. Okay, going to start melting my chocolate first. So I'm going to spray my pan. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to add my my frosting. Now I'm going to go microwave this for 30 seconds. I'm going to do another 30 seconds. Taking out my gnome spatula, my little guy cute, to go with my gnome fingernails. Now we're getting close. You just want both of them. Look at that. Woo! All right. So now we're going to pour it into our pan. Now we're going to let this set up. You can put it in the fridge or freezer, or I'm in Wyoming and it's cold, so I'll probably set it outside and let it get all nice and firm, and then we will cut it and I will have Mike taste test. All right, here is my Hershey's Fudge. All right, we got coffee in the background. The kid's making coffee. Okay, so now, ooh, it does just pop out. It just pop out. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, that is darn tootin' cool. Look at that. Wow, that is some fudge. All right, I'm going to cut it now. All right. That is a luscious piece of fudge. Wow. Okay, that one is regular chocolate fudge.
Mmm.
Is that delicious?
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's really good.
That is Hershey's 2-ingredient Hershey's Fudge.
Man, it's really good. It's really fluffy.
Yay. How does it compare to your mother-in-law's?
I better not answer that. It's amazing. It's really amazing.